Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Honor Watch X5i, and today I'm going to show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. So let's get started. And of course, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Honor Health, not this one, my bad, this one, Honor Health application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Honor Health application, tap on device, and here you should see your Honor Watch X5i. Select it. Now scroll down and look for notifications option and tap on it. And if the notifications are disabled, tap on the switch, and if you see any pop-ups about the permissions, we will need to allow them for the notifications to work. And as you can see, we have this one. We need to allow the notification access, so tap on enable. It will direct you to this page. Here find the Honor Health application on the list and tap on it. Then tap on the switch next to allow notification access, and then tap on allow, and then go back. And the notifications should be enabled now. And we can basically enable and disable notifications for specific apps on our phone. And how it works is, if you enable notifications, let's say for Google, and you receive the notification from Google on your phone, that notification will be also sent to your watch. But if you disable it, it won't be sent to your watch, you will see it only on your phone. So customize this to your liking, and once you're done, you can go back. One thing I forgot to mention is that when you enable the notifications and you see any other permissions than the one I showed you, allow all of them, otherwise the notifications won't work. Okay, and once you allow the permissions and enable the notifications for the apps you like, you should be able to receive them. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord, and it should pop up on our watch as well. So we got it on our phone right here, and if we go to our watch, it is right here as well. So it is working, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.